Hi everyone. Today my mind is on Ukraine, and I can't get my mind to do much of anything else. I've been racking my brain trying to think, what can little old me do to help this situation? I'm not a soldier, I'm not wealthy, I'm not a politician, but I am a musician. And music has enormous power in times like these. The power of music can synchronize and unify and amplify the collective consciousness. Currently, there is a Ukrainian folk song going around YouTube, and it was played in a video by Ilya Bondarenko in a bunker while the city of Kiev was being attacked. And he played this beautiful Ukrainian folk melody, and it kind of took off and went viral. And he arranged it for 4 violin parts. I have the sheet music here of his arrangement. And violinists from all over the world joined in playing this Ukrainian folk melody. There's power behind that because it unifies our intentions, it amplifies the collective consciousness, and there's power behind that. So what am I going to do to help? I am going to teach you this Ukrainian folk melody to enlarge the growing pool of people meditating toward peace and comfort, for people finding themselves in the most unthinkable circumstances. I'm going to donate, and I'm going to use my platform to increase awareness and bring about greater consciousness with this situation. What you can do is learn the Ukrainian folk melody. You can donate, and I did enormous amounts of research to find absolutely reliable, legit organizations that you can donate to, where your money mostly goes to the refugee support. And you can spread the word by forwarding this video or this email if you got this video through an email. So we can all do something small, and together it becomes something large. I will teach all 4 violin parts. You can choose which one is appropriate for your playing level. The great thing is violin 1 is the hardest, violin 4 is pretty much the easiest. So you can probably participate no matter what level you're on. You don't even have to be a violinist. If you play any instrument, you can learn these parts by ear and play it on your instrument. If you read music and you're not a violinist, if you read treble clef, you can utilize this sheet music. So I'm having a hard time really finding the adequate words for how I feel about this situation. So I'm just going to stop talking, and I'll close this video and meet you in a new video where I'll begin teaching violin 1, another video to teach violin 2, and another for violin 3, and another for violin 4, and then a final video where I will put it together with Ilya's video so that we can be synchronized with him and with the other violinists around the world who are playing this Ukrainian folk melody. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks for spreading the word, and I will see you in the next video.